Good morning, everyone, and happy last full day in my apartment. So that's right, today is actually the last full day and the very last night that I will ever spend in this apartment. I am emo about it. Hi Molly Cat, come here. I mean, I can't even begin to tell you guys how freaking excited I am, but leaving this apartment is just a big deal to me right now. I have so many memories in this apartment. I really moved in here with the intention of staying here for a lot of years and really making a home for myself here, and that's exactly what I did. I've lived in this apartment for more than 3 years now, just a little more than 3.5, I think. And I just made this place so cozy for myself. I absolutely love being here. I just love how cozy and warm and homey this apartment really has felt to me over these past couple years, and I am very sad to be giving that up. I am over the moon excited about our move, but man, it's going to be so weird that like this is the last really full day and the last night that I'll ever sleep here. So I actually don't move until Friday, but tomorrow someone's going to come and pick up my mattress, and so I won't have a place to sleep here anymore. Plus the movers are coming to Connor's place first on Friday, so it makes more sense for me to sleep there on Thursday. That way I'm there on Friday morning to help with the moving. So for all of those reasons, this is going to be my last night here at my little apartment. Sort of sad because I don't foresee it being like a super relaxing night because I still have a lot to get done today. It's gonna be a really busy day, but I'm going to cherish every moment that I have in this apartment because it's going to be very, very weird and sad and emotional when I have to like truly say goodbye to this place, which luckily is not until Sunday, but still, I won't be living here really after tomorrow. I can't believe it. Can't believe it's really happening. Oh, but I'm also so excited. I cannot wait to get the keys to our place tomorrow and just get in there again because we've only been in the place one time. Obviously, I feel like that's pretty typical for when you are moving into apartments or just moving in general even. But oh, I'm so excited to get in there again and get to see it again. I love it so much. I love the one that we chose. So in case you missed it, in my last blog description and also my Instagram story, I outlined what my upload schedule is going to be for sort of this move. So obviously today is going to be sort of the last packing vlog, organization vlog. Then tomorrow you're actually gonna get a bonus video, which is gonna be an empty apartment tour. So excited for that. You guys will finally get to see which apartment we chose. Sorry for leaving you in suspense for so long. Actually, I just realized the day that you guys are watching this is actually moving day. I will probably be posting on my Instagram photos of our new place. So if you want a little sneak peek, you can probably go back to my Instagram right now and look on my Instagram story. I'm sure there will be photos in there. But the official announcement and apartment tour will be up tomorrow for you guys. And then Monday is going to be the moving day vlog. And then from there, it's just like more madness, more moving madness. I feel like I've been having such trouble getting good night's sleeps too because there's just so much to do, and when I wake up in the middle of the night, my brain just starts going right away. But I made great progress yesterday, you guys. I have to show you. So everything is officially off of the walls now, and as you can see, everything is pretty much empty. The kitchen is the last big thing that I have to do, and so this will be happening today. We're gonna be packing up my whole kitchen. But I took apart my clothing rack here. All of this is trash that has to go out today. I'm gonna do that this morning. The inside of my coffee table is empty, all of my candy. Usually it has tons of stuff in it, but all of that is packed up. This console is pretty much empty because someone's coming to pick this up today. Hi, Molly. This suitcase is packed up with stuff. Let's go in here. Obviously, there are tons of like boxes packed everywhere. This suitcase is jam-packed with stuff as well. It's so heavy. I have all of these boxes packed, this guy here. All of these shelves are pretty much empty. I have to get those down. I guess I'm gonna use a broom or something and have like a few extra little things to pack. Bathroom is not looking super different yet. Obviously, I'm missing some towels that I've packed up so far. Under the sink is pretty much totally empty. I still have a couple products that I use here, but for the most part, this is done too. It's really just the kitchen is the biggest thing that I have left, and then like packing up all of the little things here and there. Also, look at this like hair sticking out. And like, chill. I also like desperately need to wash my hair today. I really should have done it last night, but I was just so tired. I packed for so long yesterday. I didn't vlog it because I just really wanted to focus on actually getting shit done, and it's hard when you have to set up the camera in a million different ways. So I got a lot done yesterday when I wasn't vlogging. So my thought is that I'm just gonna pretty much do what I did yesterday, which is power through as much work as I can as early in the day as I can. I have a call at 12:30, my usual client call that happens, but I want to be done with everything that's on my to-do list before that call. That way after the call, I'm either good to go or I can just finish the stuff that I got from the call and leave it at that. So it is 1:30 now, and at 2 o'clock someone is coming to pick up my TV stand and this chair here. So unfortunately my 12:30 call is getting pushed. Actually got pushed to 1 o'clock and now it's just getting pushed in general. I don't really know when it's gonna be, but I am mostly done with work for the day. I have a few more things I need to wrap up. Right now what I need to do is clear off my TV stand, make sure that it's all good to go. This hair is still like going crazy, so we can just expect it to look that way for the rest of the video. Coffee table turned TV stand for the next day or two. Gotta love it. All right, I'm gonna wipe this guy down now, double check there's nothing left in here and get it ready to go. I also wanna bring out all this trash before they come, so I'm gonna do that right now too. Lunch is served. Used up so many of my veggies, which is great because I need to make my way through all of those, obviously. Well, the coffee table and the chair are officially gone. Molly, what are you gonna scratch at now? So now that I got that taken care of, we are going to dive into packing up my kitchen. It's gonna be such a nightmare, but I'm just gonna power through and get it done. Took me 2 hours, but I am almost done with my kitchen. It actually doesn't even look like I'm done because there's still a lot of shit sitting out here, but I really am almost done. I have like some dirty dishes obviously I have to do. My dishwasher is actually full, so I need to pack up that stuff, but I'm gonna deal with all of that tomorrow, I think. Oh my God, it's 5:15 right now. What I'm thinking is that I'm going to hop in the shower, and then what we're gonna do is go around and take all of the nails and screws and everything. We're gonna go around, take all those out, and then use this to try to fill them. I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to that, so we're just gonna try our best and see what happens. Okay, shower's complete. I have my little hair wrap on here. And you're gonna have to look at me like this for the next little while because I'm gonna keep it on while we finish our last task for the day. From what I understand, I can just take a little bit of this and just smooth it over. I mean, that seems pretty good to me. That was like very easy. Okay, we're just gonna do that on every hole in my entire apartment. I feel like a real handy girl. Look at me go. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty proud of how well this is going. Well, tripped over this, so that was fun. Anyway, moving on. Gotta remove all of these nails I put in for holding my jewelry. Well, I did it, and honestly I feel very accomplished. It only took me like 20 minutes to do all of them. The only ones that I have left are for this little hanging hook thing here, but I'm not taking that down yet because I keep my keys and stuff on there. And in my messy moving apartment, it would be so easy to lose that stuff. So I'm keeping that up really until the last minute. Well, the hair has dried and is looking crazy. What else is new? I have to say, you guys, the worst part about having my curly hair back is that I can't really brush my hair anymore, because obviously you don't really brush curly hair. And brushing my hair is one of my favorite things in the entire world, or at least it was. It just feels so good on my scalp every time I brush my hair. And I'm very sad that that's like not a part of life anymore. Get some product in there. We're gonna start with some Olaplex on the ends. Some Shea Moisture transitioning milk through the rest of my hair. You guys know the drill by now, I think, though. Shown you this a few times, so I guess I'll just cut to a time lapse. Like a little crazy part sticking out there. I hope I can find a bobby pin. So now I'm just gonna hop on a FaceTime with Tara. We wanted to just chat for my last night here in my apartment. Feels so weird. Well, I got on FaceTime with Tara and left my camera in the bathroom and never ended up filming any of our conversation. Sorry. I made Tara get off because she hadn't even had dinner yet, and it's already midnight there for her. It's 9 p.m. for me, and I like need dinner. So I'm just trying to use up the stuff in my fridge as much as possible because I don't want to have to bring it all. So I'm just gonna make one of those like wraps that I've been making with this fake vegan chicken and have some soup on the side. Okay, we got our wrap coming together here. Just finished heating up my soup. Oh my God, it's very hot. Oh my God. Okay, got it. I'm just gonna assemble this baby now. We are ready to eat.
Tennessee and I are actually going on a trip.
It's very adventurous.
Yeah, well,
That actually might be good for me. I work early enough to pick up.
an idea will.
Okay, I'm going to eat my very last dinner in my apartment. What the heck? I am so shook, honestly. It's so weird that this is happening. So I'm going to eat dinner, and while I eat dinner, I am going to watch This Is Us. I am very excited for this episode. I know it's gonna be a real killer tearjerker, so I'm fully expecting to get a good cry in, which honestly might be therapeutic for my last night in this apartment. Well, wow, you guys. This is it. This is the end of my last night in this apartment. That is such a weird feeling. I can't believe it. This is my last sleep here. What the heck? That does not feel normal. We had so many good times in this apartment. I just feel like I continued to, you know, grow and discover who I was so much while living here. I just feel like so much of my life happened while I was living in this apartment. So many crucial years. And this was always where I got to call home, and you know, me and Molly got to be here, just the two of us, just two gals living in the city. And I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss this place a lot. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here and you know, get into my feels a little bit here. Just taking these last moments in my apartment. Well, thank you for watching today, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned because tomorrow is going to be the big apartment reveal. Finally, I'm gonna do the empty apartment tour, and that's a little bonus video for you guys going up tomorrow, so keep an eye out for that. Okay, I love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.